Welcome back, participants, in the second video lecture of Microsoft Excel. In this video, we learn some basic statistical analysis in Microsoft Excel, basic formulas and functions in Excel. There are two basic ways to perform calculations in Excel. Formulas. In Excel, a formula is an expression that operates on values in a range of cells or a cell. For example, equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3, which finds the sum of the range of values from cell A1 to A3. Functions. Functions are predefined formulas in Excel. They eliminate laborious manual entry of formulas while giving them human-friendly names. For example, equal to sum bracket A1 is to A3 bracket close. The function sums all the values from A1 to A3. Basic statistical functions in Excel. Count function. Count function work when we need to count the number of cells containing a number. Remember, only numbers, not value. Counter function. Counter function work with all non-empty cells when we need to count the number of cells containing. Please note, like counter function, we can also count blank cell and conditional cells by using countBlank function and countifs function respectively. Next function is average function. This is one of the most common statistical functions to calculate the arithmetic mean of all the cells in a given range. Kindly note, like average function, we can also locate median in the given data set by using median function. Next is mode function. Single and multiple modes can be found out for most commonly occurring values by using mode.sngl and mode.mult. Not only these basic functions, but also almost all other basic statistical functions can be done by using similar approach as shown here. Partitioning functions in Excel. The Excel percentile function calculates the kth percentile and Excel quartile function returns the quartile like minimum value, first quartile, second quartile, third quartile and maximum value for a given set of data. Syntax for percentile function is percentile in bracket array comma k, where array stand for data values and k stand for number representing the kth percentile. Sorting of data in Excel. When we want to arrange our data in Excel, one of the very useful applications of data tab is sort function. It helps to sort the contents of a range or array either in ascending or descending orders. Data can be sorted by any columns. Sort tab under data tab. Then click on select column head, then A to Z or Z to A. Similarly, sort tab under data tab, select column head, then select ascending or descending in case of numerical values. Single command for basic data analysis in Excel. Data analysis is an add-on function which helps us to find out almost all basic statistical values of any data by a single click. Now, steps to add data analysis tab. in older version of MS Excel. Click on File tab. Click on Option. Click on Add-on once in this new windows. Then select Excel add-on and click OK. Now, data analysis is available under Data tab. Steps to add Data Analysis tab in new version of MS Excel. Click on File, then click on Option, then click on Add-ins, then select Excel Add-ins and then click on Go. Then click on Analysis Toolpack and then select OK. Now, data analysis is available in the Data tab. Once this tab is available in Excel, we can calculate all basic functions using this add-on data analysis. How to use add-on data analysis tab for basic statistical analysis. Select the data you want to analyze. Click on Data Analysis tab. Select Descriptive Statistics. Then select Input Range, all columns which needs to be analyzed. Then select Summary Statistics. You can see column-wise basic statistical analysis on the screen, such as mean, median, standard deviation, range, sum, minimum, maximum, and many others. Common statistical analysis by using Data Analysis tab. Data Analysis tab is one of the most popular tab in Excel, which not only performs descriptive statistics analysis, but also almost all common statistical analysis can be done with a single click only. This is a list of statistical tools available under Data Analysis tab. For example, this figure explains how to perform a two-sample t-test in Excel, assuming equal variance. Statistical analysis available at name box. Name box available in Excel after ribbon tab on top left just above A1 cell. It shows most recent functions used in that sheet after marking equal to sign in any cell. To show how to use these functions, this slide is showing Karl-Pearson correlation coefficient using Excel. Once we click on Pearson in the name box, a new dialog box opens where Array 1 and Array 2 are sets of independent and dependent values. Kindly note, if desired function is not available in the name box, we can use more function to find it out. In insert function, you need to type a brief description of what you want to do and then click Go as shown in the slide for chi-square analysis. One-way analysis of variance. Please note that an ANOVA test can tell us whether there are statistically significant differences somewhere in the data as a whole, but it cannot tell us just where those differences lie. Steps involved in the computation of ANOVA in Microsoft Excel. Select the data you want to analyze and click on the data analysis. Then select ANOVA single factor. Then select input range entire data including labels and group by columns and required alpha value 0.05. Then click OK. Summary and ANOVA table including F and P value can be seen here. Linear regression analysis. These figures are showing various steps involved in linear regression analysis. Details of individual steps are as follows. Select the entire data set and click on Data Analysis. Select Regression. Select required X and Y input range, confidence level, residuals. Summary output with line fit plot. Then select the plot area and click on Layout. Then click on Trend Line and select More Trend Line options. Then select Trend, Regression type and check required options such as Display Equation and R-square value. Then format X and Y axis as per requirement for better display and final display plot. Creating a pivot table to analyze data. A pivot table is a powerful tool to calculate, summarize, and analyze data for comparisons, patterns, and trends in data. Pivot tables work a little bit differently depending on what platform are we using to run Excel, such as Windows, MacOS, or any other. Steps to create a pivot table in Excel for Windows. Open your file in MS Excel. In Insert tab, click on the pivot table. Then select your data in table range. Pivot table field side tab appears. First, select color and gender that will appear in row tab. Drag color in column tab and gender in values tab. Table count appears in selected cell as count of gender based on color they prefer. It is important to note here that at the time of selection of cells to create a pivot table, data should not have any empty rows or columns. It must have only a single row headings. So, dear participants, this was all about basic statistical functions in Microsoft Excel. In the next part of this video lecture, we will learn about representation of data in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.